spending other people's money, my money, God's money. Ciao. Okay. So, boom. Oh, these envelopes are cute. It has, ooh, I got another remote. I got another remote. I wanna go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. I hope you can stay a while. My content is full of vlogs, haul videos, and my new series is everything about starting and maintaining and prospering in my small business. And if you like these type of videos and you guys want to see my journey, please keep on watching. And if you like my personality, subscribe and turn on the notification bell towards the end if you want to stay along the journey with me. As you guys know, or if you're new, I do have a small business that I started a month ago, and it is doing so well, even though I don't have a lot of followers. But I am so grateful for each and every one of you who decided to make a purchase from my small business. At the current moment, I do sell loungewear items, just sell, you know, a bunch of little cutesy items that you can transition from loungewear to the streets, because now the streets are calling, so you can wear it either indoors or outdoors. And then also I sell handmade cosmetics such as my rose oil. I have lavender oil. I have beard oil that I added to my boutique. And I also, my best seller is my body butter. If you guys are looking for new boutiques to shop in, I have cute pieces, and also sell handmade cosmetics like body products, facial products, and all of those things. And I also sell soap bars as well, like really cute ones, and they smell so divine. Definitely check it out. My shop link will be down below, and also my shop name is called shopofficiallymj.com, all one word, all spelled out. And I hope you guys like my product, and definitely give me feedback, because I am still a new business owner and I definitely want ideas and opinions that's going to help me elevate and do better. So, you know, just a little spill on what I'm about. And if you have a small business, please link it down below, and also your Instagram handle so we can follow each other, because I love shopping. If you watch my channel, I have a lot of vlogs. I love spending other people's money, my money, God's money, business money. I just like spending money on cute things. So if you have a boutique, please link it below so we can support each other. But anywho, this is another Amazon haul video for my small business. I've been selling out a lot of my products, so I've been repurchasing a lot of my staples, and I also added new items to my boutique, and I just needed a couple of more things just to zhuzh up my packaging. You guys know packaging videos is like all the rave. It's definitely going to take you to the next level. So I definitely wanted to elevate my packaging style, and I think I got, like, you know, random stuff too, but all of these items are for my small business. So enough of like my rambling. If you guys want to see all of the goodies that I purchased through Amazon, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first item that I purchased was these new organza bags. I just fell in love, girl, because they're just so cute. And it comes in two colors, and the first one is going to be this white organza bag with the heart on it, and then it has like the yard drawstring, and then it also come in this nude color as well. Yeah, so it's like an oatmeal color with the hearts. And then essentially, I thought it was all one color. I thought it was just the white one, but it's both. I mean, it's my bad because I didn't read it, but I wanted to use these bags to put my oils in, because I was using these bags, but then I wanted to use these bags to put in my like lip glosses and my lip oils in, and then I have these organza bags for like my serums and my oils. It doesn't really go with my brand colors and my aesthetic, but I just love these bags and they're cute. I mean, I've been using them for like a few of my orders, but I think I might just use these bags for my beard oils. And I added to my shop for the guys, so I just wanted to add, you know, a product for men. So I think I'm gonna use these, but these are kind of girly though. I don't know, but we're just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with these. But or maybe I should do like a special type of collection that I could use these baggies with, but I just love them, so I purchased it. So that's that. This is the 4x6. I'm not sure how many is in a pack, but I'm gonna link the Amazon photo to the side and you guys can just check it out. So this is gonna be my next package, because I literally just got it this morning and I was like, nah, I have to do a video, because I have a tendency when I get packages, I just open it and I just start using it, and then I go, shoot, I didn't make a video, and then that's just that. So this package have a lot of goodies in it, so we're just gonna go through it. So this sticker roll is a repurchase, and this is my thank you for supporting my small business stickers. So that's what that looks like. It's just super, super, super cute. And this is what I use for when you purchase clothing from my site. I use this rose gold tissue paper. I put all of my clothing and I wrap it, and then I put the sticker to seal it. So I got another roll of these, and then I got another roll of stickers. And this is the little tape pulley is a little hard because I wanted to show you all the colors. This sticker, it says handmade with love, it's just for you, and it comes in 3 colors. It comes this like white marble pattern, a purple marble pattern, and a black marble pattern. And these stickers are going to go on my soaps. And I got this because it's like different. It's not like a square, it's not like a circle, it's like a little design. It's cute to put on my soaps. My next item from this package is this. Let's cut baby girl open real quick. Ooh, okay, so yeah, so this goes hand in hand with the soap stickers. So the next item are my soap boxes, and I got it in black, so then I'll put the stickers on top. So before I was using my organza purple bags, but I don't want to put my soaps in there anymore. So I wanted to get like actual soap boxes, just because I just feel like it's like more professional looking, and then it has like the open window detail. So that's what it looks like. And then I'm gonna put my stickers on this side, and then let's make one just to see. I'm a little nervous about the size. I hope this fits my soap. I mean, I looked at the measurement, it was okay, but you know, it's different when you see things. So this is what it looks like made up. I put these soap stickers on the box on the bottom, and so far I have 3 soaps. Turmeric soap, I have a garnet rose soap, and I have a Let's Zen soap. The Let's Zen is more of like a men's scent. It's very like ocean vibe, very fresh. My rose is very like sweet and light and like floral. My turmeric soap is more for your face, so it's infused with black soap chunks in it, and it's also mixed in with like shea butters and natural oils. So if you suffer from hyperpigmentation, or you have like dark spots, or you just suffer from uneven skin, definitely give those a try. And all my soaps are affordable. Actually, my whole site is definitely affordable. It's not like cheap, okay girl? This is not like Fashion Nova or like, you know, like the cheap stuff. Like my items are good quality, and they're going to last you a lot of washes. So it's not one of those things where you buy clothes and then you wash it twice and then you gotta throw it out and then you gotta buy it again. I don't want to deal with that. I'd rather buy quality and price it at a reasonable price. But most of like my handmade goods are also at a good price as well, because I add a lot of like extracts. I add a lot of like, you know, extra components to make the product even better than the competition. A lot of the small businesses that I have seen and I have interacted with and have purchased from, they just like, especially like for like the facial serums, they just add like a bunch of oils in it and then put the little stickers on it and sell it. And I just can't do that. Product is supposed to change something about what you don't like, so therefore you need to research the oils that you're putting into your product, and also add like extracts, add like different components to make your product like worthy, you know what I mean? Yeah, there's a lot of like really good, you know, skincare brands that if you see their before and after, it's just like a transition, and that's what I want to give to my audience. Like, I don't want to just put a bunch of oils in a bottle and sell it. I want my product to make a difference in your skin. Either it's going to make your skin very moisturized, it's going to give you that glow that you desire. If you suffer from hyperpigmentation or like dark spots, my oils is great for your skin. And also my oils are geared for people that have sensitive skin, so my oils are definitely not heavy. They're very lightweight, especially now that we're going into like the summertime. So I don't use heavy oils, and I'm not putting like, we're not gonna talk about that right now, but like, I'm a Gasme, okay? Like, my products are good, and they definitely gonna transform your skin, because that's the point of having quality products. But anyway, that was my little rant. I'm always ranting, I don't know, lately I just been rant. Anyway, so my last item from this package, so baby, is empty. It's going to be my envelopes that I'm going to use my wax seal kit on. So I have purchased this wax seal kit. So pretty much it's like a little spoon with a little stand, and then you melt the wax, and then you pour it onto the envelope, and you stamp it with whatever stamp that you chose. And I wanted a more vintage type of like envelope, not too vintage because that's like not my aesthetics, but oh, these envelopes are cute. These envelopes are cute. Okay, so this is what the envelope look like. So this is what the first print looks like. So there's 4 designs. So let's show you this one. So this is more like light. So I'll probably give the guys these ones. I mean, the guys are gonna get whatever I give them, okay? And then this is this one. And then my last one is this really cute stripes. So yeah. So that's what I'm going to include in my packaging. So it's going to have this envelope and then the sealing stamp. And then in the envelope, it's going to have your packing slip, my business card, my thank you card with a coupon code, and a couple of stickers. Seal it with the wax, stamp it, and then it's going to go right into your package. Oh, it's going to be such a vibe. Packaging is everything, guys. If you have a small business, please invest in quality packaging, because when people receive your items, you just want them to be overly excited. And also, we are in the Instagram, TikTok generation, so you want your packaging to be aesthetic. So when people are doing the little videos, when they open your package, it could be really, really cute. So then that's also added promotion to get other people to purchase from your business. So yeah, get you guys really good packaging. So my next item is going to be this long box here. Oh, shoot, child. Okay. So it's essential for business. And this is my tripod. So I do not have a tripod. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys will see my ghetto setup, okay? My ghetto ratchet setup, okay? Because I wasn't sure about, you know, my YouTube channel. I wasn't sure if I was going to be consistent, but sis, I was consistent. So as of right now, as I am growing, I'm definitely adding quality equipment to my repertoire. So I definitely needed a tripod, especially for my camera and also my phone, because I like to take pictures and TikTok videos, and I don't have a tripod. I was just stacking up boxes and then placing my camera on like another box or like a book or something, and then taking my pictures or my video. So I had to invest in a tripod. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I got from sis. I mean, she was expensive, so you better give me all the bells and whistles. So it comes in this really nice little package bag, and Let's see what she looks like. It's just, ooh, it's very sturdy. I love her for me. Very sturdy. So comes nicely wrapped. What she looks like. Boom. This is so good. I love this. And then it has, ooh, I got another remote. I got another remote. So this one is the Quick Pick Bluetooth remote shutter. So that's what that looks like. Comes in a little baggie. So it comes with this little piece here, and then this remote. I already have one because I have like a ring light, like the small ring light. I'm gonna throw that out because it literally destroyed. And then this is an extra attachment piece for my phone. So when I do like TikTok videos and reels and things like that, I have this, and I don't have to stack no more boxes because we are elevating. Okay, honey, elevation is where we need to be. So yeah, guys, so those are all of the items that I purchased from my small business from Amazon. Amazon will forever have my heart at the moment. They just have a lot of things. Okay, they just have everything that I need, and I love really fast shipping, so I definitely just really enjoys buying things from Amazon. So if you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like my content and you like my personality, I would love for you guys to join me on my journey of my small business and my YouTube channel, and also just me in general, girl, because I done quit my job. My last days are coming. They are coming. They are coming, and I'm so happy. Any way to go is up. So again, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.